Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. I am just here to show you stuff. Today, we're talking about Astercoin, decentralized perpetual contracts. Trade cross-chain, trade crypto, trade stocks, trade using hidden orders. So they have caused quite the stir lately. Little Twitter here. Cool little logo. Sleek and chic. I like it. Now, let's check out. The price has been really climbing. Candlesticks are substantially on the rise. Very, very bullish. Now, unfortunately, this may mean you're too late hearing this, and I'm too late to tell you. The time to have owned Aster was maybe just a little bit of time ago, like noon today. If you had it at noon today, you would have quadrupled your money, if I'm reading this correctly. Price was down to... yeah, so it opened at 0.1. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, it's, no, been even higher. Yeah, you would have So, somebody did some multiples, opened at 10 cents, just over $2 now. My goodness. Yeah. So, and it is right here, easily the biggest crypto bubble of the day. So we got that going. Could it keep climbing? Yes. Is that likely? Maybe not. Probably not, no. So, it may continue to climb. Statistically, I don't know how likely that is. But, my goodness, if you bought it earlier today, I would probably sell it right now. If you bought it at noon today, if you bought a lot of it at noon today, yeah, sell now. So it's crazy bullish. Very, very recently. Crazy bullish. I mean, maybe it'll keep climbing. It's a possibility, but not everything that is possible is likely. I'm not sure what to do. But if you're holding APX, you can convert your APX tokens into Aster. So you got that going. Let's look on more details. We got some details. So if you're an APX holder, APX is turning into Aster. You can upgrade. New era. APX to Aster. Immediately exchange APX spot tokens for Aster. Exchange ratio decreases over time on a first-come, first-served basis. So if you're holding APX and you want to switch to Aster, now is the time to do it right now. Now, the rewards are already over. That time has passed. But, man. Yeah, Aster is looking hot right now. Is it going to continue? Seems pretty crazy to assume that. But maybe if you buy it right now, you'll gain money. But I'm guessing if you have it, you ought to sell it. If I had bought a lot of it at noon today, or no, that's a month. No, not noon today. No. Oh, my bad. I misread my candlesticks. So, if I had bought a lot of it on the 17th, yeah, forget that noon today thing. My goodness. If I had bought a lot of it at noon on September 17th, and had a lot of it now, I would be unloading and just laughing my way to the bank. But I don't know if I'm buying it at 226 a pop. That seems less, it's pretty rich for my blood to buy all that at that price. So, could keep going. Maybe. It's a chance. I just don't, I don't think the candle's gonna burn that bright for that long. We will see. And I've been wrong before. By all means, my commenters, let me know. My goodness, I'm sure. I know no one's ever disagreed with me before, but if this is the first time, put your comments in the description, in the little section below. I'm getting ahead of myself. Links are in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.